Welcome to solverfy.
All right, so we've got these four molecules here, and we're basically going to go through and see if we can fix them. If there's anything that needs to be fixed using one change. All right, so starting with A, since it's only a hydrocarbon, you kind of want to look at, do all of these have four bonds? And you can see that there is one small change you need to make, right? If you look at this central carbon right here, you'll see that it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds and the hydrogen. So the solution is just simply get rid of the hydrogen. And then the rest of this molecule is correct. All right, so looking at B, you can see again that this molecule right here, this hydrogen count is just a little wrong. So what we're going to do is just erase it and instead replace it with a 2. All right, going down to C, you can see that this carbon right here has a lot of stuff going on, right? So it's got a triple bond and 2 single bonds, bringing the grand total to 5. So this one, there's a couple of changes you can make. So for one, what you could do is you could get rid of either this group or this group, both of which would kind of fix the problem. But another thing you can do, and this might be breaking the rules because I think it requires 2 changes, but we're going to get rid of this triple bond and instead just draw it as a double bond. Now, the reason I think that's breaking the rules is because obviously you're going to have to add a second hydrogen right there. But I think that's how it makes the most sense to keep this molecule as close to it was as similar. All right, and then part D, there doesn't seem to be any problems with this molecule, so we're just going to leave it as is.